Hello everyone, I am Alma and I'm here to provide you with a live demo of a time tracking tool, ClockDiary, that helps you track time, manage projects and maintain billing activities. So let's dive in and take maximum advantage of this tool that will help you scale your business. As a manager, you can oversee and manage time-related activities within the Time Recorder tab. All recorded entries play a crucial role in tracking projects, generating detailed reports, and storing time-related data, providing valuable insights. Once a free account is created or logged into, tracking time for daily activities begins. The initial steps involve writing the project description, selecting the project or creating a new one, adding tags and labels, or adding a new label, specifying the billing status, and starting the timer. At the end of a particular task, the timer is stopped. Time can also be tracked manually by entering project details, time details, and the date. Click on the Add button to add the time entries. All these activities collectively generate time entries that can be reviewed below, organized by the days worked. The Timesheet tab facilitates a comprehensive oversight of team members' time entries, aiding in better management and analysis of time-related data. So, if you are a team lead or a manager, you can access a summary of all time entries recorded in a week by specific team members. Select any member from here to review their weekly time entries, or easily navigate through different weeks as needed. With the 3 dots option, detailed project information such as project descriptions, labels, and billing status can be checked. Additionally, ClockDiary permits the editing of time entries for any specific team member, providing the ability to save these changes. The Save as Template feature allows for the creation and saving of templates, where one can enter the template name and save the template for future reference. So, once the new week starts, you just have to activate the template, and all the activities will be copied from the template. By doing this, you will just have to adjust the time entries. This process saves time by automating the entry of recurring activities, allowing quick adjustments for the new week. The template info allows to check the details anytime in the future, helping to streamline the review process, and enabling a more concise and efficient way of accessing and evaluating this information. In the Workzone tab, you gain centralized control over various work zones across multiple organizations. Easily add a new work zone by clicking on the Add New button and typing in the workzone name. Once the workzone is created, it will be visible in the tab with other existing workzones and the default workzone set up. You can also manage and change the workzones from here, and click on any workzone to activate. In the Settings tab, admins can modify the company logo and edit workzone names. The settings enable the activation or hiding of specific features like the timesheet or the time recorder. So, an admin can activate the timesheet or hide the time recorder option for the Workzone user. Next, change the default settings for the billing status, visibility, and working hours. The Required Field option allows the specification of mandatory fields in time recorder entries, ensuring essential details are filled in for accurate record keeping of all the Workzone members. Settings also allow for access control, such as email verification for workspace access. The Lock Time function adds an extra layer of control by locking time tracks, Managers can select from the drop-down menu how many days or weeks the time entries should be locked, ensuring that no user is able to modify the previous entries once locked. Admins have access to theme settings including theme modes, menu orientation, font style, and preset colors through the ClockDiary feature. This allows for a personalized and aesthetic workspace environment tailored to individual preferences. Let us now move to the next section, which is Reports. The Reports section is a critical tool for comprehensive data analysis and presentation. Here's a breakdown of the features available in various report types, that include summary, detailed, weekly, and shared. Let's discuss them one by one. Summary reports offer an analytical view through graphs and charts, enabling a detailed examination of the total number of hours, billable and non-billable hours expended over different periods, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Selecting specific date ranges facilitates an in-depth understanding of work distribution among various team members. Managers can filter time entries based on team, customer, project, task, label, status, and description. For instance, when you select a particular filter, let's say projects, and click on Apply, it will reveal the precise hours worked within that particular project. Reports can be shared and exported in formats like PDF, CSV, or Excel. When you want to share a report, simply click on the Share button. Write the report name and check the visibility if you want to keep it public or private. If the file is kept private, specific users can be selected for access from here. Through the Lock Dates feature, you can lock the dates. Upon creating the shared report, a dialog box will confirm the successful creation of the link. At this point, you can copy the URL directly or access all shared files in the designated Shared section. Whenever you share the report, it will be easily available to the clients without any access issue. You can also review details such as the report name, labels associated, and URL. The Filter Info option in this section provides details on the creation date, billing status, and report type. The Report Sharing tab allows to collaborate with clients directly. Managers can seamlessly share reports with multiple clients, maintaining the required level of privacy and controlled access. Moving back to the Summary section, the Reports tool provides another layer of visualization using pie charts. These charts allow grouping by multiple filters, enabling a concise and visually enriched representation of data. Managers can, for instance, select a particular customer and further filter data based on different criteria, such as the user. This makes it easy to check which user is working under which customer. The ability to sort data in ascending or descending order through various parameters, like title and duration, enriches the interpretation and understanding of the information presented. This added visual element through pie charts adds a more condensed, visual representation of the data. It allows for a swift comprehension of crucial data points, fostering a more concise and clear understanding of the reports. The Detailed Reports section offers a robust tool for managers to comprehensively review tracked time, fine-tune entries, share reports with clients, and allocate work hours effectively. In the Details section, managers access a comprehensive overview of tracked time, allowing the selection of time durations, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly for detailed analysis. When viewing reports, managers can employ a range of filters based on their specific requirements. You can also correct entries by clicking on what you wish to edit. Edit the project description, project, user, label, billing status, date, and time, as per the requirements. The detailed reports can be shared or exported in PDF, CSV, and Excel formats, same as the summary reports. A crucial feature is the ability to add time entries for other users. Just fill in the project details, select the users for whom the entry has to be created, and click on the Add button. The entries will be seen here. This function proves especially beneficial for managers overseeing multiple projects and teams, allowing them to efficiently log time entries on behalf of team members, ensuring accurate time tracking within the system. Switching to the Weekly tab provides a concise and organized overview of all tracked time across days of the week. This breakdown allows managers to efficiently review how time is allocated across various projects and by different team members on a day-to-day basis. Managers benefit from a range of filters enabling a refined view of the weekly data. The reports can easily be shared and exported in PDF, CSV, and Excel formats, ensuring flexibility in sharing and using the data for internal or external purposes. The Teams section enables managers to streamline the addition of new team members by sending invitations to multiple users simultaneously. Once added, these members will be listed within the Teams tab. Managers have the capability to assign specific groups and projects to individual team members. This allocation ensures clarity in responsibilities and tasks, enhancing organizational structure and workflow. Through the action settings, managers can execute transferring ownership of the Workzone, archiving members, and adjusting settings. Within the Groups tab, managers have the ability to create new groups with designated names and save these group settings. These groups can be customized by adding members to facilitate specific task assignments and project collaboration. Overall, the Teams section empowers managers to optimize team productivity and maintain a structured and coordinated workforce. The Project section provides all project details in one place, allowing for efficient review and management of ongoing projects. Details include the project name, assigned customer, description, tracked hours, accessibility, and billing status. To create a new project, click on the Add New button. Enter specific project details such as the project name, set accessibility public or private, customer name, billing status, and color. Then save the details. The new project will be visible within the tab. With the Edit button within the Actions tab, perform several project management tasks. Assign tasks within the project. Modify visibility options as public or private. Enter or edit project settings. Overall, the Project section provides managers with a consolidated platform to efficiently handle the nuances of each project. The Customers tab serves as a centralized platform for overseeing, updating, and managing all client and customer interactions. Managers can seamlessly access and review all customer and client information in one location, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of their clientele's details. Managers can easily add new customers by simply clicking on the Add New button. This action prompts to Customer tab, where essential details such as customer name, email address, phone number, and address can Upon saving these details, a new customer entry is created and becomes accessible in a tabular format here, including the name of the customer, email address, phone, and address details. The tab also provides insights into active and archived customers, enabling managers to differentiate between active, engaged customers, and those that are no longer active. The Labels section serves as an organizational tool that enables structured categorization of tasks. Managers can create new labels by clicking on Add New button and writing the desired label name. This process allows for the creation of distinct labels. Once labels are added and saved, they are displayed in a structured format within the section. This presentation allows for quick reference and easy access to all the saved labels. Let's get back to the time recorder and understand the workings of labels. In the time recorder section, managers can effectively utilize labels when entering project details. Labels can be selected from the drop-down menu while filling in project-specific information, such as project description, project name, label, and billing status. Let us now jump to the Custom Fields option. Custom fields allow you to add additional information to time entries and customize your work. Managers can easily create new custom fields by clicking the Add New button and specifying the field name, description, and selecting the field type. Custom field type lets you know what the field would look like and what you can enter. Once you click on any field type, you will get a pop-up where you can fill in the details. This includes options such as text, number, link, switch, select, and select multiple, each serving different data purposes. For example, overtime requires a number field, so you can fill the placeholder as overtime. The default value is 0, and check the preview here. Managers can specify who has the authority to edit these details, providing flexibility by restricting it to only admins or allowing access to all users. After creating a custom field, managers need to shift it from the inactive to the active and visible tab to make it available within the time recorder. This action allows for the inclusion of custom field information when entering project details or updating previous entries. Fill in the project details, enter the overtime hours, and click on Add. For the previous entries, click on the Custom Field option from the Actions tab in the Time Entries, then enter or edit the overtime hours whenever required. In the Timesheet, hovering over specific times enables users to add or edit custom field details for those time entries. Once updated, the entry is revised and saved successfully. Another important functionality that Custom Field provides to managers is that they can associate specific custom fields with particular projects. For this, go back to the Custom Fields tab and drag the overtime from visible down to invisible. Next, go to the projects. Select any project and click on Edit. Within the project settings, navigate to the Settings tab. Scroll down to find the option for Additional Fields. Managers can choose the specific custom field they wish to associate with this project and switch its visibility to Visible. Once this is set, get back to the Time Recorder option. The custom field won't initially appear here. However, upon selecting the appropriate project, the custom field option will be visible. Fill in the relevant details in the custom field section and click Add. This action records the specific custom field details for the chosen project. By customizing fields for particular projects, managers can tailor data entry and collection to meet the distinct requirements of each project. Discover a new era of streamlined time management with ClockDiary, where time tracking is free for up to 25 users per Workzone. Need to expand? Our user-friendly professional plan allows easy scalability at just $1 per additional user each month. If you have any queries, our dedicated support team is available via our help center, catering to all time zones worldwide. Start your effortless time tracking journey today with us.